this episode of Health 101, we're learning how to take the respiratory rate. So, first you want to make sure that they don't know what's going on, or else their respiratory rate's going to be screwed because they're trying to be conscious about the respiratory rate. So, the first 30 seconds, you can take their pulse, and then the last 30 seconds, while they're thinking, you're still taking their pulse, you're actually checking their shoulder or around here to see how many breaths they're taking in that 30 seconds, which you also will multiply by 2 to get their respiratory rate. Boom.
What's the normal range?
The normal range is
12. You didn't
12 to 20.
say the normal range either, Garrett.
Okay, that's good. Here we're learning
Okay,
how to
now
find
I'm
the
going to teach
pulse
you guys how to
of
take the
Garrett here.
temperature. And
So
for
first
this,
you
we are
take
gonna
the
use
wrist,
temporal temperature, so we're going to use a temporal thermometer.
and right about
And you're
here,
going to turn it on, you're going to
you will find the radial artery.
And you're going
You place 2 fingers there,
flat against the forehead,
and
and you're going to bring it all the way
count
down to the
how many
temporal artery,
beats
which is
there
by the temple.
are in
Makes
30
sense?
seconds, and
So,
you
turn it
multiply
on.
it by 2
And
to
I'll
find how
follow
many beats there are in a minute.
artery, and then I'll see what's left.
In this portion, we're going to learn how to take the temperature of Garrett. First, you need a temporal scanner. Then, you make sure it's flat against the forehead, hold the button down, and go to the temporal artery at the temple. Then you release the button, and it pops up with a number. For Garrett, it's 99.1. A normal temperature is between 98.6 and 100.4. In this video, we're going to learn how to take oxygen saturation levels. First, you need an oximeter here, and then once you have one, you place the patient's index finger into the oximeter and press the button on top. Then you wait a few seconds until some numbers pop up, and it will tell you what the level is. For Garrett here, it's 99, and then normal is around 90 to 100. You have to take the proper blood pressure of a patient here on Garrett. So first
What's your name?
we need to get his arm up here on the table and find his brachial artery, which is located on his arm bicep thing. Then you take the blood pressure cuff, place the artery arrow on the artery naturally, and then wrap that thingy around and put on the stethoscope. Place it in your ears with these things facing forward, and place this part underneath the cuff below the artery arrow thing. Then you tighten the valve on this so it actually lets the air go into the little baggy thing, and go up until about 150 with kid ease, and start letting it down in here until you hear it.
What are we looking at right now?
So his blood pressure was about 118 over 80, and then you take it off before he loses his blood flow to his arm. That's it.